Did the drawstring fall out of your favorite pants and you don't know how to put it back in? This simple trick can save more than one pair of pants. All you need is an ordinary pen. Remove the tip from the pen, then insert the end of the drawstring into it. This makes the string stiffer and much easier to thread. You can easily pull it through pants, a hoodie, or a hood. No more struggling with a thin, soft string. The whole trick takes just a moment, but can save you a lot of time. It's perfect whenever a string falls out of clothing. You don't need any special tools, just something most people have at home. This trick helps anyone who's ever struggled with it. No sewing or unraveling required. The drawstring moves through the tunnel much faster than usual. It's one of those tricks that really makes life easier. Once you try it, you'll always do it this way. It also works great for bags, backpacks, and shorts. Quick, convenient, and completely stress-free. A simple trick that really works. You do not have to throw away your pants when the zipper breaks. Your favorite pants do not have to end up in the trash. There is no need to get rid of them. You also do not have to spend money on tailoring services and replacing the zipper. You can fix the zipper yourself in just a few minutes. Problems with zippers in pants happen often. Sometimes it is only a zipper that keeps coming undone. In that case, a simple rubber band is enough. Make a small loop on the zipper pull. Hook the end of the rubber band around the button. If the problem is the opposite and the zipper gets stuck, it is often enough to rub it with a candle or a bar of soap. But what if the slider has come off one side of the zipper tape? Grab a pair of scissors. No, do not worry. You will not need to rip the pants apart. You only need to cut out a few teeth. Only on one side of the zipper. And in the lower part. Slide the zipper down and see how tall the slider is. You need to cut the teeth to the same height as the slider. Cut the teeth on the tape without the slider. Here, the zipper is small, so you do not need to remove many teeth. Cut the zipper tape material between the teeth at the bottom, then make a cut at the marked height. Remove the teeth. At this moment, the missing teeth are clearly visible, but do not worry. First, put the slider back on. When those few teeth are missing, you will not have any problem doing it. Close the zipper. Simply sew the hole in the lower part of the zipper. Then the slider will no longer fall off the tape when the zipper is opened, and the hole will stop being visible. The only difference is that the zipper will be slightly shorter because you will open it a little less than before. Chewing gum can be removed from clothes without leaving a trace, and it's possible in two simple ways. Freeze the gum on the fabric by holding an ice cube over it. I don't have ice, so I'm using a frozen strawberry. After a few moments, the gum will harden and be much easier to remove. Use a plastic card to scrape it off. Watch how I do it. It's like magic. But there's another method just as effective. If you want to remove gum quickly, here's a reliable way. Grab an iron and a piece of white paper or paper towel. Place the paper over the gum and iron it for a few seconds. The gum will soften and stick to the paper. Be careful not to leave the iron on too long to avoid melting the gum into the fabric. If the gum has been there for a while, use a plastic card to scrape it off. The heated gum will stick to the plastic, making it easy to peel off. Here's how to get rid of grease stains without a single drop of detergent. And it works faster than regular stain removers. Oil seeps deep into fabric fibers, which is why your washing machine often can't handle it. But there's a simple trick that almost always works. Cover the stain generously with salt. It'll start absorbing the grease right away. Then sprinkle on some baking soda. Its fine texture helps break down the oil like a gentle scrub. Now take a piece of aluminum foil, shiny side down, and place it over the stain. That side conducts heat better and speeds things up. Press a hot iron over the foil. The heat activates the salt and baking soda, drawing the grease out of the fabric and into the foil. Hold it there for about 15 to 30 seconds, but don't overheat the fabric. Then remove the foil and brush off the salt and baking soda. The stain will be gone, and your pants will look good as new. Quick, easy, and seriously effective. This hack works every time. Pour liquid into a matchbox. I'm sure you'll thank me for this trick. You've probably had times when your favorite shirt got stained with pen ink. Ink stains can be stubborn, and it often seems impossible to remove them. But I have a simple solution. Pour dish soap directly onto the ink stain. Gently massage it in with your fingers to help break down the ink and dissolve greasy residues. Now grab some matches. Take one and rub the ink stain with the match head. You can also tear off the match tips and rub them directly onto the stain. The match head contains compounds that help lift the ink without damaging the fabric. After a few moments, you'll notice the stain starting to fade. Now, just rinse the area under running water and you're done. Your shirt is clean again, with no traces of ink. This is a simple yet effective way to remove tough stains. A Japanese laundry method that amazes with its effectiveness. See why ordinary laundry will never be the same again. For this, you'll need a drying rack. Start by hanging the longest clothes. Place them on the edges of the rack, on both sides. Then move each following item gradually toward the center, leaving enough space between them. Notice how each piece closer to the center is smaller. Larger clothes stay on the outside, and there's an important reason for that. Keep hanging until you reach the middle, where the smallest items go. Your drying rack should look just like this. Why is this Japanese method so effective? Because the laundry dries much faster. A curve forms in the middle, which supports the drying process. Warm air from the room gathers there, speeding up evaporation. This method not only saves you time, but also makes your laundry dry evenly and smell fresh. Just one simple trick can make daily chores so much easier. Stop packing your suitcase like that. There's a better way. Most of us lay it flat on the floor or a surface and pack clothes that way. But here's a smarter method. Stand your open suitcase upright on its wheels and pack your clothes vertically, like you're stacking them on a shelf. This way, you have direct access to everything and can actually see what you've packed. Get rid of yellow stains in just a few seconds. Yellow stains on your blouse can be quite troublesome and hard to remove, especially when they've deeply penetrated the fabric. Often, traditional cleaning products aren't enough, so it's helpful to know an effective method. Take a larger glass bowl and prepare hydrogen peroxide, which has bleaching properties that will help effectively remove the stains. Add a little to the bowl, then add vinegar, which is an ideal ingredient for whitening clothes at home. It works as a stain remover and helps dissolve any remaining dirt. The final key ingredient is dish soap, whose cleaning properties make it effective at removing stains without damaging the fabric. Add some dish soap. Lastly, pour in warm water and mix everything together so the ingredients combine. Finally, place the stained item into the bowl. If the stain is more stubborn, leave it for a moment. Scrub the stain against the fabric thoroughly, then rinse. If you're wondering how to get rid of yellow stains, this method is perfect. Your blouse will be snow white and look as good as new.